ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಚಾನಲ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಟಾಪ್. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾರು ಅಂದರೆ ಲಿಖಿತಾ ಅಂತ, ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್. ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋಣ, ಅವ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಲೈಕ್ ಅವರು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಥರ ಲೈಕ್ ಈ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ತನಕ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು, ಫಿಟ್ನೆಸ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರದಿಂದ ತುಂಬ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. ಸೀದಾ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬಂದೆ. ಇದು ಜಿಮ್, ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಜಿಮ್. ಇದು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ.
ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೋಡು, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಅನಾಸಿ ಇರ್ಲಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳು.
ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್?
Yeah.
ನಿಮ್ ಜರ್ನಿ ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು, ಸ್ಟ್ರಗಲ್? ಇವಾಗ ವುಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದೇ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಆಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಲೈಕ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಆಚೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು, ಅದ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಇದ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನೀವು ಆ ಸ್ಟ್ರಗಲ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾವ ತರ ಫೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ?
ಪರ್ಸನಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಮೀ ನನಗೆ ಆ ಥರ ಸ್ಟ್ರಗಲ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಕಾಸ್
Okay.
ಮೈ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ವರ್ ವೆರಿ ಸಪೋರ್ಟಿವ್.
Yep.
They always wanted me to play, they supported. So that way I was very lucky. But struggle andre I would say going to a different state, living there alone.
Can you
Because I
ivaga
played for Pondicherry alva.
Oh,
So I was in Pondicherry for 3-4 years. I lived alone, had to make my own food, travel, being in a new place. Because you are always in that family atmosphere. Ali, everything is done for you.
ಯಾ.
There you have to do everything on your own.
ಇವಾಗ ನೀವು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ ಫಿಟ್ನೆಸ್ ಜರ್ನಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಎವ್ರಿ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇವಾಗ ಆ ತರ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಜನ, ಈ ತರ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ನೀವು ಯಾವ ತರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಲೈಕ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ನಡ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬಟ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
I'm trying my best. Okay. Bias that all trainers are men alva. Men trainers are,
yeah.
they know better. They have more knowledge. So usually, generally, all the clients would always want to go to the male trainers.
Yep.
But as they kept, so in the starting, there was no money. Like you are also a trainer, you know how it is now. In the beginning, even if you have knowledge, even if you're good, there's not a lot of money involved in it.
You need a fame.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You need, so the starting part is very slow. There, if you give up, then you won't have a future.
Yep.
Starting part, you need to stay consistent. You need to keep going. You need to do it, do all the things
Okay.
slowly, but every day you have to keep doing it. Only then, when people see you, they recognize you. Okay, fine. This trainer is good. She's giving
What's your
results.
first gym as a trainer?
My first gym as a trainer was there was this other academy in Alsur called KIOC.
Okay.
So I was a cricketer there for more than 10 years. So that was my gym there. That is where I started training people.
She's at 27.
I'm 27.
But she's have experience more than I think 15 years, right?
Yeah, more than 15 years.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರನೂ ಬರ್ತೆ.
Yeah.
ಇವಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಲಾಯರು, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್, ಅದು ಇದು ಆಳು ಮುಳು. But why cricket?
Why cricket?
Yep.
Yes, there
Why
is a story to that. I'm sure all of you, most of you, would have grown up. I don't know if in this generation they do that. Our generation, we've grown up playing cricket on the road, gully cricket.
ಇವಾಗ ಆಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ.
Correct. So on the road, in that gully, 20-30 kids, everyone will come.
ಎಲ್ಲ
One
ನಿಮ್ಗಿಂತ
bat,
ಚಿಕ್ಕವರಾ ದೊಡ್ಡವರಾ?
same age.
Okay.
That time I was what?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was in 6th, 7th standard. That's when I started playing gully cricket.
Okay.
So correct, at that time, the men's team won the 2011 World Cup.
ನಂಗೆ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Form of LBW.
Left back winger Virat Kohli with the curve shot.
How many balls are there in one over?
300.
Nangede. So they had
Cricket.
won the 2011 World Cup, and then I saw that and I was like, oh wow, if men can do it, why can't we do it?
Oh.
And thankfully, the women actually did it.
Last.
Yeah,
RCB.
2025, the Women's World Cup, and now RCB won
yeah.
again. RCB won again, second time. So it's so good to see so many supporters, because the other day I was filling petrol.
Okay.
Okay, one of the petrol pumps, and the person who's filling the petrol is actually watching RCB women's match. So that's how much the sport has
ನಾನು
grown.
ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಲೈಕ್
Yes.
ನಾನು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ನಡೀತಲ್ಲ,
Huh.
ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೆಲ್ ಐ ವಾಚ್ ಇಟ್
You're
ಹೋಲ್
watching
ಸೀಸನ್.
Whole season.
Yeah.
Yes. So yeah,
Bell for Bell.
Lauren Bell.
Yep.
Yeah. So that's how I started playing cricket, and after that it was just the love of the game. Just keep doing it, keep doing it.
ಓಕೆ
Cricket is a sport where you'll go mad. You'll not see anything. You don't want to go out with your friends. You don't want to party. You don't want to go to school or college. All you want to do is be
ವಾಟ್ಸ್
on the
ಯುವರ್
ground.
ಸ್ಟಡೀಸ್?
My studies, thankfully, I've done my MCom from finance.
ಓ
Yeah.
Good.
So I'm a financial analyst.
ಬ್ಯೂಟಿ
Financial analyst. Yes. Beauty Anure. Thank you for that. Yeah.
ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇವಾಗ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೈ
So
ಮಾಡಿ.
Pallavi ma'am is also coming in the video. So yeah, she's a celebrity, by the way.
ಹಾಯ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Social media influencer. Yes.
ಲೈಕ್ ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಓಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ನೀವು ಇವಾಗ ಲೈಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು ಏಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಒಂದು ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಎನ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಲೈಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು,
Yes.
ಮೂವೀಸ್ ಅದು ಇದು.
Yes.
ಸೊ ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಇದಾಯ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ?
I have lost a lot of friends because of
Yeah.
cricket. I've lost a lot of friends.
ಬಾಡಿ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್.
Cricket,
If you
sport.
have any one aim,
Yeah. If
you
you
will
have
lose
an aim in life, you won't have many people around you. The journey is going to be lonely. But when you get on top, everyone wants to come behind you and they
but
want
that
to know
time
you.
we are not looking back.
That time we are not looking back.
Yep.
For
Time
sure.
ಇದೆ.
Yes. Well done, sir. Thank you.
Multitasker.
Multi-
Okay. What's your daily routine?
My daily routine.
Yep.
So I wake up around 4:45 in the morning.
See girls, learn from her.
Then I have my morning routine, which of
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
course
ಕನ್ನಡ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್.
Swalpa Kannada.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ನಡ.
Uh,
ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬಂದಿರೋದಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರೋ ಹುಡುಗಿರು ಯಾಕೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾತಾಡಲ್ಲ ಅಂತೀರ? ಪ್ಲೀಸ್
I try my best. Yeah. In prayer ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಓಕೆ.
After that, I'll come here around 6 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ. 6 o'clock I leave home. I reach here by 6:20.
ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಡ್ರೈವರ್.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೂರ ಇದೆ ಮನೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ.
20 ನಿಮಿಷ ದೂರ.
ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ದೂರ, ಸೊ ಯು ಕಾಂಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಇಟ್. Yes.
ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ
I take session here.
ಫೋನ್ ನಿಮ್ದ?
Yes.
ಎತ್ತು
Wait for part 2. Part 2 is coming.